Hi, this is Busy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change sound input on MacBook. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! Do you need to change the speaker or headphones through which your Mac plays sound? So changing the sound output device on your Mac is super easy. You'll just need to make a quick change in your system preferences. And note, before that, you'll need to have another output device connected in order to change to any option other than the default speakers. So how to do if you want to change your output device on your MacBook? It's very simple. So you can just open your system preferences on your MacBook. From here, I can select on sound. From sound, you'll find there is an option sound effects, output, and also input. Because we want to change the sound output, you can select on output. And in here, you have to make sure that you already have another output device connected to your MacBook in order to change to any option other than the default speakers. And after that, you can just choose on the device that you want to change as your output sound on your MacBook. And also in here, after you choose the output, in here you can also change the balance and the volume. You can just manage in here. And also on your system preferences, you can also change your input device if you want to change to in here. It's very simple, right? So that is how to change your sound output on your MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!